Hey everybody. Hey, I hijacked the phone right quick, man. Yeah, we out here at Napanee, Rite, Chioce, over here by Dollar General. We out here chilling, man. We got a couple people out, man. We got the bikes out. Y'all should come out, man. If you bored, sitting in the house, hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna show y'all exactly where we at right now. Hold up. I hijacked the phone, man, and I went live, so that is what it is. Hold up. Look. That's the mini truck. He's out here pancaking it. If you guys don't get in on this bid, man, I think I might just buy like the rest of the tickets that he got, because I kind of want this truck, man. Like, I think it'll go good with my collection. Chevy game. I think it probably will go good. Yeah, he's been. That's the. Come on, man. Oh, wait a minute. I jacked his phone. Chevy gang. Yep. Already. But y'all check this one out, man. Hey. You don't, can I put your bike on it? Alright. Y'all check this out right quick, man. Check this out.
He on his way, bro.
Man, he pulled up and he blew out like flames out of the back of the bike, man. Wait a minute, I'm scared of this dang old thing, man. You can roast marshmallows on this thing, man. I tell you. He got marshmallow roasting out here. So y'all bring the campfire. We got marshmallows. Man, look at that frame. Look at that frame. Is that your horn? Oh wow. That's that man horn on a bike. Jesus. Okay. Y'all know that song? Woo wop thing with the woo wop drop. Candy paint with the woo wop top. Yeah, this is where we gonna go to this one right here, man. Tell me why this boy got candy paint on here, man.
Well, you want to paint it
on there? Candy thing we need. Oh, yeah, you can tell us hard, man.
If you busy plotting on what I got, kicking your door, that's what you thought. $100,000 on the tabletop, half price my whip, same price my watch. Got no jumper, but I ball a lot. Bitch on your stony, I throw it out. Candy paint with the white on top.
Wait. Yeah, he just did that. I gave him to you. I gave him to you.